Hi, I'm Grace Grogan. Living in a motorhome and traveling throughout the United States and Canada full-time, Paul Cannon and I love to locate fun spots to visit with unique photo opportunities. Today we are visiting the Nellie E Saloon, nicknamed the Desert Bar. This unusual spot is located in the middle of the desert northeast of Parker, Arizona in the Buckskin Mountains. You can only get there by driving an off-road trail. Open October through April and only on Saturday and Sunday from noon to 6 p.m., it is off the grid, so no credit or debit, they accept cash only. Travel with us to the Desert Bar. This is the primitive route we are taking with some other Newmar people to a Nellie E bar. It's also called the Desert Bar. So we are on our way there. A lot of off-roaders in the area. And we'll see what the bar is like when we get there. I guess it's pretty popular and usually heavily attended. The Desert Bar came into existence when Ken Coughlin purchased an old copper mining camp in 1975 with the dream of opening a bar in the desert. The original bar was a three-sided enclosed room the size of a storage shed, opened in 1983. The name Nellie E is from the old copper mining camp. What you see today is 3 levels of open-air bar that is popular with ATVers, locals, and tourists. We've gone quite a distance, but we're still on the trail for the bar. It looks like our trail's going to narrow a little bit here. We've got a group of 6 of us actually. The leader who knows about the bar is in the red Jeep in front of us. Sorry about the jiggles. Got a green Rubicon behind us, and then there's a couple pickup trucks, another Wrangler. And somewhere out here we will find this bar and have some lunch. Nice scenery. We saw one rusted out station wagon that had plunged off the hill and was down below. Ooh, I think we're getting close. It looks like there's the bar over there. Yay! Certainly not a road in and out to the bar that you would want to drive if you were a little on the tipsy side, which could be what happened to the station wagon that's plunged off the side and is rusted out down below. Helicopter rides, $50 per person. That guy's going to have a long wait with the 6 of us coming. Probably sitting there going, what the heck?
Here's an old car up here, right in front of Henry.
Yep, right there, old car. That's a photo I'll have to take when we're done. Back up. I don't know if if I'll be able to post it or not because I'm at 2.47 minutes. Do we have to go that way? So there's some more of our crew that did not climb up the wrong road. 2 Jeeps and the pickup truck. And there's another pickup truck that's part of our group. So our leader led us the wrong way. Oops. There's our fearless leader over there somewhere, coming down. Sorry about the dirty
There's
car.
about 6 or 7 cars behind us.
There's about 6 or 7 cars behind us that are not part of our group. Better be a good burger and a beer for all this. Probably won't even have my kind of beer. No car, rusted out. In and out signs. No drinking in the parking lot. Oh, gee whiz, why not? So, how many bars have you ever been to that have this kind of a setting around it? Pretty cool, huh? Throughout the property, there are old vehicles serving as decorative points of interest. This flatbed truck is one of them. Look at the tires on this old farm tractor. It has steel pin tires with no rubber treads, which we assume is due to the excessive heat in the area. This is a very popular watering hole with ATVers who are out on the trails. So popular that they even have their own parking lot on the other side of the bar. When off the grid, you have to use green energy. Check out the solar panels on the bar as we stroll in from the parking lot. When entering the bar, you pass by this truck, which farther in is seen from behind next to a buckboard. This is an overview of the lower seating area and more solar panels. The bar has a main level with some sandwiches available and is where the saloon and t-shirt sales are located. The lower area has an extensive seating and is where you purchase hot food off the grill and non-alcoholic beverages. With my back to the lower level of the desert bar. Here's our group. Everybody wave. -1 doing trash duty. There is no table service. You stand in line to purchase your food at a counter. You pay for the unusual atmosphere and location here. The bill for Paul and I was $48, and all we got were 2 burgers, 2 onion rings, and 2 bottles of water. The fire truck seen from the lower dining area was acquired from Scott Winter in March of 2001. It was used by Scott's father during the development of the Blue Water Lagoon in Parker, Arizona. Here you see some storage, possibly refrigeration areas, and more solar panels. The operation of the bar has undergone several upgrades since the days when Ken would haul a 50-gallon tank of water on the back of his truck. Today there is a well and cooling systems all operating on solar power. The additional chairs and retaining walls with the buckskin mountains in the background provide a setting like no other bar. With the exception of the saloon, it is all open air, giving a roomy feeling even when crowded. If you walk to the far end of the lower dining area, beyond where the extra chairs were sitting, you can walk out and around to the parking area. Back on the main level, walking toward the restrooms, you can see the ATV parking area in the back. The gray building was a men's urinal area where they had a view of the area around them while using the facilities. The ladies' restroom was unique with sinks and fixtures all made out of scrap materials, including the bathroom stalls. The window was open air and provided a view of the ATV parking area. This is the main level dining area where the band and dance floor were located. I walked up some stairs and discovered an overview of the main floor and band area. Paul went the other way. I didn't realize that if I climbed this side of stairs and went to the upper level, I'd be able to walk down a pathway to our Jeep, which is parked right there. Bright orange Jeep in the middle. So we are getting ready to leave the desert bar. The walk from above down to the parking lot had some interesting photo spots with old vehicles, the parking lot, mountains, and evidence of upcoming expansions to the bar. The church construction was completed in 1996. It is made of solid steel with a copper roof. Its walls and ceilings are made from the same stamped tin used in the saloon. Services are never held here. The church is a place for weddings and a great photo spot. The scenery around the bar is beautiful. One thing we didn't photograph but went into was the t-shirt shop and Nellie E Saloon, which was completed in 1988. Inside the saloon, the windows are made from old refrigerator doors, the bar stools of hand-welded steel, the top of the bar is brass, and the ceiling is stamped tin. Power is solar, stored in batteries, and run through inverters. You don't want to miss it. We are leaving, but the cars are still rolling in. Not bad for a bar that is only open on Saturdays and Sundays from noon to 6 out in the middle of a desert. Paul and I thank you for watching our trip to the desert bar in Parker, Arizona. Hit that like button below. Please tell us what you think in the comments section. And when you click that subscribe button, you can request to be notified each time we publish a new video. We also invite you to check out some of our other videos on rolling through North America. Travel with us.